Welcome to the latest edition of Women's Health Updates, covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks. Brought to you by Lucid Quest. The FDA has expanded the indication for Teva Medicine's UZEDY, risperidone, to include maintenance treatment in adult bipolar 1. This approval allows for once-monthly subcutaneous dosing, with UZEDY now available as mono or adjunctive therapy with lithium or valproate. The 3 monthly dose options could influence prescriber choices and prompt payer reviews. The Women's Health Fund is focusing on large-scale market building. This fund of funds launched at the Women's Health Innovation and Equity Forum in Berlin, with backers including the American Heart Association's Go Red and Gates-aligned groups. It aims to catalyze capital allocation into conditions that uniquely or disproportionately affect women, signaling an expanded investment focus and growing pipeline. In a new survey by Novartis, a Harris poll of over 3,000 US women shows that despite self-reported knowledge on breast health, many women don't perform monthly self-exams, and societal pressures limit breast health discussions. This could impact future healthcare practices and payer strategies. Gilead has reached settlements with Lupin, Cipla, and Loris, delaying US generics of Biktarvy until April 1, 2036. The settlements extend the exclusivity of Biktarvy beyond the expected 2033, which may affect pricing and access in the US market. Zenas has licensed orelabrutinib, a BTK inhibitor from InnoCare, alongside 2 other immunology candidates. This deal, with milestones potentially exceeding $2 billion, signifies Zenas' expanded investment into non-oncology treatments. AstraZeneca and Daiichi Sankyo's Datopotamab deruxtecan showed positive Phase 3 results in triple-negative breast cancer. The trial demonstrated significant improvements in overall survival and progression-free survival, supporting its first-line treatment potential. BioNxt has filed a US Track 1 patent for its sublingual cladribine BNT23001. The formulation aims to improve bioavailability and adherence in multiple sclerosis treatment. This filing marks an important step in the development of MS therapies. The World Health Organization Foundation and Eli Lilly are collaborating to support a global dementia strategy. The partnership will focus on risk reduction, early detection, and care, with financial resources to assist health systems in preparing for early Alzheimer's detection and treatment. Roche and Lilly's Elecsys p-tau181 blood test has received FDA clearance to aid in Alzheimer's disease assessment. This test, with a 97.9% negative predictive value in a 312-participant study, may speed access to anti-amyloid therapies and improve early interventions. Lobular breast cancer incidence is rising faster than other types of breast cancer, with an annual growth rate of 2.8% from 2012 to 2021, compared to 0.8% for all breast cancers combined. This trend, coupled with a later survival disadvantage, may inform future treatment and screening practices. A study published in Nature Communications reveals that women carry a higher genetic risk for depression than men. The research, based on sex-stratified genome-wide association studies, identified 16 variants linked to depression in women, compared to 8 in men, with stronger associations to metabolic traits. These findings could impact mental health treatments for women. Stay ahead in women's health research. Like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.